Hey yo! It's another Tomboy Beauty. I'm your host, Amy Harber. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. I'm sure you can find me other places too. Just Google me. This is the March Target Beauty Box. March into spring. What gives it away that it's March? Maybe that says March into spring. Boom. If you spent your winter hibernating and sipping hot cocoa, you're not alone. No shame in our game. But now that the days are getting longer and the weather's getting warmer, where are they? It was like 40 degrees here in Chicago today. It's now May. It's time to get glowing stat to the rescue. These beauty finds that'll help you march into spring more radiant than ever. With a $3 coupon that's now expired. It's not warm in Chicago. It's not spring yet. I think we're just skipping straight to summer. Anyway, let's get into the products and have fun. So March Beauty Box. March into spring. Fun times. I'm all ready to unbox it. Okay. Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser. You had me at rose gold. Like, everything is pink, rose gold. In my life, even my hair was rose gold in one color. Rose water extracts act as a natural astringent. Oh, and I love that Target still puts the little thingies around here so crap don't leak. So, rose gold shimmer gives skin a subtle glow. I'm excited to try it. And it's cruelty-free. Who doesn't love that? Then, all the time in the Target Beauty Box. All the time, and I love it so much. Love, Beauty, and Planet shampoo and conditioner. This time, it is Smooth and Serene Argan Oil and Lavender shampoo and conditioner. Oh, and there's a little hint on the little sheet that has all the products. Before shampooing, soak hair with lukewarm water to open the pores for a better wash. Okay, confession, I am definitely a rinse and repeat girl, and I know you're not supposed to if you have like fine hair, but I have fine hair, but I have a lot of it, so it actually helps me to rinse and repeat. So, otherwise, I don't get all the gunk out of my hair. Plus, I only wash my hair like twice a week, so there is buildup. So, usually I wash, and then I clarify, and then I can deep condition. And that's the way my hair is done. So, there's that. Oh, so excited. Love that. Okay, next. TRESemme Botanique Color Vibrance and Shine Intensive Mask with pomegranate and camellia oil. That's right, it's a hair mask. Okay, you're supposed to leave it on your hair like 3 to 5 minutes and then use like once a week. So I always try to, results in one use too. So when I say a deep condition, this is usually what I do, and then I will get my hair all wet, shampoo it, condition it, and then take a bubble bath. And then rinse it out at the end of my bath. There's another hack for doing that. Okay. This looks fun. It's got a gun on it. It's SheaMoisture matcha green tea and probiotics. You're supposed to put probiotics on your hair even. Like, I just figure you take them as a pill. Okay, matcha green tea and probiotics, soothing toner and hydrating mist. Okay, what are you supposed to do with it? Oh, it's not for your hair. Or wait, is it? Duh. You know what I just did? I just grabbed the wrong product. This is not that. This is. I was like, why is it not green, but it has matcha green tea? So, blonde moment. Yes, I had a total blonde moment in this video. That's right. Okay, so this is the spray on your face. Not this. This is next. This is a spray on your face, and it's also got milk thistle. Okay, so for an extra boost of hydration, spritz on your skin before you put your moisturizer on. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna smell it. Another blonde moment. Got it in my eye. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, jeez. Okay, now we got the stuff with the gun. You know what this is? This is silicone-free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment. Oh, yeah. It leaves your tresses tangle-free. Oh. A moment. The wind in Chicago constantly rats these locks like you would not believe. That is why I'm excited. Let's see. Leave-in conditioner keeps this from... Doesn't matter what oil I put, whatever. The wind, I go outside. Yep, destroys my hair. Anyway, that is the Target Beauty Box for March. This is where you can find me and all my other dumb blonde moments. Until next time, stay beautiful.